Welcome to a charming little cottage-style design. This home tour is in Hilda's house. I hope you enjoy and comment on the ideas in this video. The decoration of wooden panels and painting the ceiling in a cottage style is often chosen for its charming and cozy aesthetic that evokes a sense of comfort and nostalgia. Cottage-style interiors typically feature natural materials such as wood, cozy textiles, and a relaxed, informal atmosphere. The use of wooden panels adds warmth and texture to the space, while painting the ceiling in a light, neutral color helps to create a bright and airy feel. Overall, the cottage style is popular for its inviting and relaxed atmosphere that creates a cozy and welcoming home environment. The cushions in the living room are cottage style to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Cottage-style decor often includes soft and comfortable furnishings, such as plush cushions, to make the space feel warm and welcoming. The use of floral prints, soft colors, and natural textures in the cushions can also enhance the cottage-style aesthetic and contribute to a relaxed and charming ambience in the room. The dining room may have wooden chairs in a cottage style to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that is characteristic of cottage decor. Wooden chairs are often chosen for their rustic and natural look, which fits well with the warm and charming aesthetic of cottage-style interiors. Additionally, wooden chairs are durable and sturdy, making them practical for everyday use in a dining room setting. Baskets in the kitchen help achieve a cottage decoration by adding a touch of rustic charm and warmth to the space. They bring a sense of coziness and homeliness, which is characteristic of cottage-style decor. Additionally, baskets can be used for storage and organization, keeping the kitchen clutter-free and enhancing its overall aesthetic appeal. The natural materials and textures of baskets also complement other elements of cottage decor, such as wooden furniture, vintage accessories, and floral motifs. Overall, incorporating baskets in the kitchen can help create a welcoming and inviting atmosphere that is synonymous with cottage living. A cottage bedroom can be cozy due to a variety of factors, including the design and layout of the space, the use of soft and comfortable furnishings, and the overall ambience created by the decor and color palette. Fabric designs can certainly contribute to the coziness of a cottage bedroom, particularly if they are soft, textured, and have a warm and inviting feel. However, there are many other elements that can also contribute to the cozy atmosphere of a cottage bedroom, such as the presence of natural materials, the use of warm lighting, and the incorporation of personal touches and decorative accents. Ultimately, it is the combination of these factors that helps create a cozy and inviting space in a cottage bedroom. A cottage garden with white furniture would create a fresh and airy feel, especially when contrasted with the natural wood elements in the garden. White furniture can enhance the overall aesthetic of the space and provide a crisp, clean look. Consider incorporating a white painted wooden bench, table, and chairs to provide seating areas for relaxation and enjoyment of the garden. You can also add white outdoor accessories such as planters, lanterns, and decorative accents to tie the look together. This contrast of white furniture against the warmth of the wood elements in the garden can create a charming and inviting atmosphere for outdoor living.